it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today we're going to change wiper blades on this very popular VW Golf Mk6. This car takes wiper size 19 on passenger side and 24 on driver side. Okay, first to remove wiper blades, it's a push button type wiper arm. All you need to do is press this button and push the wiper off the wiper arm. We will fit 24-inch now. To do it, we need a top lock adapter for this HEYNER hybrid blades. Adapter comes with the set. When you buy a set of for the dedicated car, you will get separate adapters designed to fit your wiper arm. Please remember always to remove a red plastic cover from the rubber blade. I'll take one of the adapter. There's a two in a box. First I'm gonna fit adapter on wiper blade. The metal bar goes between those two plastic rectangles. You clip it, and now we can slide the wiper blade onto the arm. Job done. We're gonna do the same on the passenger side. So first I'm gonna remove the blade again. Just press button and you can take off the wiper. I'm gonna take off the blade from the box. Again, red plastic cover off. Take second adapter. Again, fit the wiper adapter onto the blade, click on and then slide. Job done. Thank you for watching.